Good morning, my children. How are you all? Today we will be writing lesson 2 Animal World New Words and will also be doing reader exercises on page number 109 and 110 of term 2 reader. First, we will watch this clip of new words that we will be learning and writing. So, are you all ready? The new words from the lesson Animal World are giraffe, elephant, wolf, insects, pigeon, peacock, rhino, bear, domestic, farm, zebra, octopus, squirrels, butterfly, crocodile, hippo, flesh, grains, horse, and turtle. Now, children, we will start writing in our EVS notebook. First, we need to start writing our date. And today's date is 10th November 2020. And we are going to write lesson 2 Animal World. This heading should be written on this red line. And what are we going to write here? New words. What are we going to write today, children? New words. And first I am going to read out all the 20 words. Then I am going to read the spellings for you. New words. Giraffe, elephant, wolf, insects, pigeon, peacock, rhino, bear, domestic, farm, zebra, octopus, squirrels, butterfly, crocodile, hippo, flesh, grains, horse, turtle. Okay, now I'm going to read the spellings for you. Giraffe, Giraffe, giraffe. Elephant, elephant. Wolf, wolf. Insects, insects. Pigeon, pigeon. Peacock, peacock. Rhino, rhino. Bear, bear. Domestic, domestic. Farm, farm. Zebra. Octopus, octopus. Squirrels, squirrels. Butter, fly, butterfly. C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. F-L-E-S-H, flesh. G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. H-O-R-S-E, horse. The last one is T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Okay, so you need to write all these 20 words in your EVS notebook neatly and repeat the same for homework on next page. Okay, now you need to start learning these spellings also, children. Okay, now we will go and do our reader work, that is reader exercises. Now children, are you all ready with your reader? We will be doing lesson 2, Animal World, reader exercises. Please take out page number 109. First we will do tick the correct answers. The first one. Which of the following has 6 legs? Bird, tortoise, ant. Which of them have? Yes, it is ant. So you need to tick near ant. Okay. Second one. Which of the following eats grains? Hen, tiger, elephant. What do you think? Yes, it is hen. Hen eats grains. So tick on hen. Third one. Fox and rabbit are dash. Big animals, small animals, or wild animals? What do you think? Are they big animals? I don't think so. Are they wild animals? No. Are they small animals? Yes, this is the correct answer. So tick on small animals. Okay. Now comes fourth one. This animal lives in water. Dog, monkey, octopus. Do you think dog and monkey live in water? No, I don't think so. So the correct answer is octopus. Yes, so tick on octopus. Okay, now I'm going to read it out, this question for you. Animals also need homes. You see an animal outside your house getting wet in the rain. What will you do? The options are here. Throw stones at the animal? No, that is wrong. Let it get wet? No, this is also wrong. Allow it into your house? Well, it's your choice. Okay? So, I think if you see an animal who is in need of help, you can take it inside your house. So, you can tick as right. The last one. Ask an adult to help you to give some warm milk to the animal. Yes, that will be very kind of you. So, mark this also as correct. Okay, children. Now we will start doing our fill-ups. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. And what are the words? Water, big, fly, insect. The first one is, the elephant is a dash animal. So, how is the elephant? It's a big animal. Yes, so tick on big and write here big. Spelling B-I-G, big. Second one, a fish lives in dash. Where does a fish live? In water. Yes, tick on water and write here spelling of water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Please turn the page. The third one is the butterfly is an dash. What is a butterfly? Insect. So write here insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. Fourth one. Some insects can dash. What can they do? They can also fly. So write the spelling of fly. F-L-Y, fly. Okay. Now comes match the following. First I am going to read out A column words and then B column words. The first one is ant, cow, lion, peacock, dog. And in the B bit it is wild animal, bird, pet animal, very small animal, domestic animal. So we need to match it, children, here. So what is an ant? What is an ant? It's a very small animal. So which word is this? Which letter is this? D. So you need to write here D. It's matching with D, right? Ant is a very small animal. Second one, cow. What do you think, cow? Cow is a wild animal or a domestic animal? It's a domestic animal. So which alphabet is here? E. You need to write here E. Okay. Then comes lion. What is lion? Wild animal or pet animal? It's a wild animal which lives in forest. Okay. So which alphabet is here? A. So write here A. Peacock. What is a peacock? Is it a bird or a pet animal? It is a bird. So which alphabet is here? B. So write here B. Last one. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. Yes. So write here C. So in this way you need to match the following. Okay. Now comes test yourself. This is also matching. These are few pictures here. This is lion, fish, cat, octopus, and this is a cow. You need to tell what are water animals and land animals. Are you ready? Yes. Lion is a water animal or a land animal? Land. It lives on land. So match it with land. And how about fish? Fish is a water animal. So match it with water animal. Cat. What is a cat? Cat is also a land animal. So match it with land animals. Okay. Now comes octopus. What is an octopus? Where does it live? It lives inside the water. So match it with water. Last one is cow. Where does a cow live? Water or land? It lives in land. On land. Cow lives on land. So it's a land animal. So in this way, you all need to complete your reader exercise. Okay, children? See you in next class. Take care. Bye.